Hey there! Like most of us, I really like working on a clean desk without stuff laying around. Therefore, I went ahead and upgraded my old desk to what you can see here. I had my monitor microphone stand, I added a slim LED light bar and installed an under-desk drawer. Also, an under-table holder now stores my business laptop and docking station. And of course, I use plenty of zip ties and cable management. But enough with the talking. Let me walk you through the build step by step. I started with hacking my old monitor arms. First step, disassembly. The idea was to screw the two monitor arms directly into the table. To do this, I took some measurements, which I transferred into Fusion 360. And based on the measurements, I designed these bushings. The slightly conic shape allowed for perfect fit. In the final step, I quickly sliced the bushings to get them ready for 3D printing. And while the printer was printing, I continued with the build. And after taking some careful measurements, it was time to start drilling the holes for the monitor arms. After finishing all preparations on the top of the table, I flipped the whole thing around and started working on the underside. When the printer was finished, it was time to insert the bushings. And they were a perfect flush fit. For better cable management, I also added some 3D printed power adapter holders. And while we're under the desk, let's quickly install this under desk drawer. To keep my desk as clean as possible, I've designed and 3D printed under-desk mounts for my business laptop and docking station. Let's see how it is installed. Installing it was super easy. Taking some marks and measurements, drilling a couple of holes, and screwing it all in place. And again, some 3D printed power adapter holders. Time to install the monitor arms and monitor mounts. The bushings for the monitor arms were a perfect fit. To keep it rock solid, I used some metal spacers and M6 hex nuts. For mounting my 27-inch HP monitors, I found this VESA adapter on Thingiverse. You can find the link in the description. The installation was super easy and quite straightforward. I also went ahead and installed my Elgato voiceover mic as clean as possible. After a quick disassembly, I was ready to drill the needed holes. That microphone arm isn't going anywhere. Now that all the modifications are done, time to install the remaining hardware. Installing the lights was super easy, and I went straight to installing the two monitors. Time for some zip ties and cable management. And of course, not to forget about my laptop docking station. Some final details. Sliding the laptop in its underdesk mount. And we're done. That's it. That was the entire build of my new desktop setup. I'm super happy with it. It is just as clean as I wanted it, and it has all the features and functionalities. You can find all details in the description. You will find the STLs, the 3D printing files, and all the good stuff. I'll see you on the next one, and let's get to work.